Previously on WeWanderlustCo, we started off our day in Nara renting some bikes from an unmanned bike rental shop, had the softest mochi we've ever tried, and got to feed some of the most politest deer we've ever seen. It was so much fun that we ended up spending the whole day at Nara Park surrounded by deer, and I even got a sweet kiss from one of them. Today we head to Gion, Kyoto's geisha district, where we'll hopefully see some geishas, and then head over to Kiyomizu-dera to experience the fall leaves and enjoy sunset.
Alright guys, a quick room tour. So we're actually living in the same property, which I decided to kind of move down. One thing special about this place is that the tile mats. We're going to show you in a bit. So the biggest thing is the tile mats. The Japanese use this as their flooring. So yeah, we get to sleep on this tonight. Kind of roll out the, what is it? Mattress?
Yeah, it's like a little mini mattress.
Padded mattress.
Padded, yeah.
Good thing we got some nice heater going on. It's a small room, so it heats up really nice. That was the biggest concern, right?
Yeah.
Was it might be cold on the floor, but just even standing on it, it's not even cold at all. Let's go test out the bathroom. Do a little arm test.
Boy.
Well, Shafeen did the arm test last time, but I feel like, here we go. Should I do a palms or?
A palms. A palms. Palm to palm. Palm to fingertips.
Almost elbow. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you
You
go.
know, this is the norm for Japan.
North for Japan.
Yeah.
It's nice. This is our place for the nights.
For 2 nights.
Or 2 nights, yes. Because we decided to extend our stay in Osaka and Kyoto.
Uh-huh.
So we could explore Kyoto and Osaka a little bit. So this place is in Osaka. We're going to leave a link to it down below. Okay. Back to the video.
Hey guys, we are in the Gion district today. We have come to visit the most popular street, which is Hanami-Koji Street in Gion. It is known for its traditional wooden houses, all the tea houses, and also home to the geisha.
Yeah.
But we've stopped at a quaint little street here, which is way less overcrowded.
Yeah.
Because I'm assuming once we get there, it's going to be swarmed with
It
people.
might be, yeah. So.
It's
But,
been overwhelming. But we found this cute little street, and I think we're just gonna walk down it, take some nice photos, take in the ambiance, and then take you guys along. So it's quite chilly as we veered off away from that quite little street.
Yeah.
Of course, we see so many people, but also huge police presence.
Yeah.
I'm not quite sure what that's about.
Yeah, I mean, I guess in the past, in 2019, a few geishas have been harassed by photographers. They actually, people have tugged at their kimonos, gone as far as tugging at the kimonos. So yeah, just kind of over tourism, and then kind of tourists not behaving properly is kind of leading to stuff like this. But yeah, I mean, I guess everybody could follow the rules, kind of be like the local, as there's a sign there. Everything should be fine.
Yeah, and please be respectful.
Yeah.
When traveling.
Yeah. But imagine being tugged at, huh?
Oh my God, that's kind of scary.
Just for a photo?
Yeah. Well, we just passed the Minamisa Theater. Come to find out, it's like a kabuki theater, and it was built in 1929. There's lots of people crowded outside and inside, and
Pretty spacious inside.
lots of people in kimonos even. Like, I think they dress up to like go watch theater.
Nice.
Pretty interesting.
Yeah.
It's so crowded.
It's on our way over to the...
Hanami-Koji Street.
Yes.
Let's move on. I think we're gonna try our first matcha here. Let's go.
Matcha, right? First matcha of Japan.
Cheers.
All right, cheers.
Matcha latte. Cheers. Cheers, guys. It's piping hot.
Yeah.
And it's not super milky at all.
Yeah, guys, so it's got the flavor of green tea, but it's like powdery. Or like as if it's been dissolved, right? Yeah. It's not stewed or what is it called?
That's how matcha usually tastes.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, matcha and green tea. Okay, I forgot the difference between green tea and matcha.
Yeah.
Matcha is actually powdered form green tea mix. It's very nice.
That was so cute. Such a cute Shiba.
Yeah.
Like we've seen the cutest Shibas out here, right? So we're finally here on Famikoji Street. Of course, there's no photography and video on the private streets,
Yeah.
on the sides, like the side alleyways. But we are able to like use photo and video on the main streets.
On the main street, yeah.
Yeah. So we see lots of people in kimono.
So guys, these are the local streets. So peaceful. There's nobody around. There's people living here. There's a big contrast, stark contrast between looking at this street and then looking at what's
Like
behind
the
us.
main
Yeah,
tourist
yeah. It's actually an active community. So
Right. Online it does say it's a tourist attraction,
Yeah.
but it's almost like, well,
It's a local-
we
yeah.
have to be cognizant that these are people's
Yeah,
homes,
yeah.
and like, I'm sure I'd be totally annoyed. But it's really nice of them to give us tourists a chance to kind of walk around and explore how old Japan used
Yeah,
to be.
yeah.
It's really nice. But we just saw like a cute little old uncle come out with his bicycle,
Bicycle, yeah.
just ride off,
Uh-huh.
kind of weaving in and out around the tourists. It's a pedestrian walkway, but then it's also shared by cars.
yeah, yeah. It is. It is.
Don't get run over.
It's actually an active road.
Yeah.
But actually, we're in front of people's houses.
Yes.
Yeah. So so we're in front of people's houses. There's restaurants. There's tea houses.
It's called ochayas.
Ochaya, yeah.
Or tea houses, and the machiyas are the traditional wooden houses.
Yeah, yeah.
So they're-
that's what we're seeing right
This
now.
is a historical landmark here, and they've really preserved it because it's like the oldest probably entertainment district
Yeah,
here. Lots of affluent people and wealthy businessmen
You
used
see.
to come here to be entertained by the geishas.
Yeah.
And currently we don't see any geishas, but supposedly they kind of come out after 5 o'clock
Yeah,
to kind of go back and forth to their duties, jobs.
Yeah. And then the geishas are known for the many arts that they perform.
Yeah, geisha is translated to
Art performers.
the woman of art.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, and they're called geiko, and then maiko is a geisha in training. Interesting facts.
Yeah. So they help you make tea. They do tea ceremonies. They do dances. They do calligraphy.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
So hopefully we get a chance to see a geisha today. Kind of spot a geisha in the well.
Yeah.
That's how I kind
was
of
like-
say because they're so rare to find. Unless you are in one of those tea houses
Yes.
and it's set up that way. But yeah.
Yeah, 2 of them. One cut across to the private street, and then one walked down Main Street. Oh, wow, that was so cool. So fashionable. Her shoes were like this high. Oh,
So are you liking this street so far?
yeah, it's
Yeah.
so nice.
Yeah, so we've actually made a turn, but just the entire place is so like aesthetic, right?
Feels like the olden times because even like the structures are like they look and feel old, but it's so nice, like old Japanese aesthetic.
Yeah, it does, it does.
And
And Shafeen is standing right in front of somebody's house. Let's get out of here.
okay, that oh my gosh.
That's a long way up.
I say child labor, but anyway, that is the cutest thing that we've seen all day.
Yeah.
What a cutie pie. We are here at the Yosaka Pagoda, also known as Tower of Yosaka.
Yeah.
It's a 5-story tall pagoda, and it dates back to the 7th century.
Yeah. So it is actually a popular photographic spot. You could see it from so many different streets. So yeah, we decided to come out here. Looks amazing in person. As everybody else is trying to get the same picture as
Right?
everybody else. Yeah.
Yeah, it kind of reminds us of the, what kind of-
Oh, the temple in Nara. Yeah.
Yes.
But I feel like the Nara one is way more massive.
Yeah.
Though this one is still 5-story, the other one is still 5-story,
Yeah,
but I
it's
feel
got
like
the same design.
Yeah, it's got the same design. Yeah, compared to the small streets, this one is towering above everything.
Right.
Yeah.
But they have like so many stalls, like just lined down these streets. So you have
Selling
your
dango.
dango, you have your coffee.
Coffee.
Arabica coffee always has a big line.
Always. I've not tried Arabica. I don't know.
We're not going to stand in these lines.
Yeah, but we'll pass up on it today.
Handmade jewelry and cat special gift shop. So cute.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all these little kitties.
Everything's cat.
Oh, like trinkets and like these. What do you call these? I don't know what you call these. But these make for great souvenirs. Cat magnets. Ooh, little plushies. So nice.
Kind of wanted to try out the pickles, but the crowd kind of keeps pushing us forward, so we'll just keep moving forward.
Yeah, we keep getting pushed forward.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's also like there's pickles. I think
Yeah.
they're like regular preserved, and then
Yeah.
some in like
And
sesame oil.
Yeah.
Sesame seeds. Looks quite scrumptious. If we get a chance.
Yes. Might pass up on that because that pickle costs around 350 yen. So everything around here kind of is overpriced, obviously being a tourist area.
Yes.
So yeah,
We are always on a budget.
we'll just do some sightseeing for today. All right, guys, we've made it to Kiyomizu-dera. So the fun fact about this place is it was founded in 780 AD, which is like a long time ago.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's also feels nostalgic for us because we were here in 2019. Right?
Yeah, during cherry blossom. And what's the biggest difference you see?
Is the leaves.
Yeah.
There's no cherry blossoms.
No.
Yeah, it's such a stark difference.
Yeah.
But it's so nice. The leaves are so beautiful and red.
Yeah.
And maroon. It's so nice. And then now we're finally here experiencing it again in a different season.
Yeah.
Let's go. So the story behind Kiyomizu-dera is the establishment was made by a Buddhist monk who came here in search of the purest spring water. He kind of dreamt about it, and in his vision, he was told to go look for the purest spring water, and apparently this is where it is. And so in 805 AD, this was deemed an imperial temple. So yeah, we're standing here right now, enjoying all the momijigari, as are all the other people. But man, the foliage is so beautiful, so pretty. Lots of different colors.
So guys, right behind us, this is all supposed to be cherry blossom trees. Right next to it, maple leaves. 2 different seasons, get to see 2 different colors.
Blessed.
Blessed?
Blessed.
Yeah.
Yes.
It was your idea to do 4 seasons in Japan.
Oh yeah.
You might be doing 3 seasons.
It all starts with a dream, and then you got to put it into action.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Beautiful sunset from this viewpoint. You gotta come up a little bit. But yeah, it's kind of the sun going behind the mountain. Yeah, especially with the red leaves. Yeah, it's very nice.
So Kiyomizu-dera literally translates to pure water temple.
Just nearby, we got to see where it actually flows from. Yeah, so it's sacred temple water, so they tell you to treat it with respect.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the water does come from like a nearby waterfall. It's called the Otoa waterfall, which you can see from the main hall.
Yeah.
In the veranda,
Yeah,
when you kind of stand, you can see the waterfall. That's
yeah.
where it's coming from.
Yeah. I believe it's paid admission, so yeah.
Yes.
A lot of people are going in. We'll probably just stay out for today. We head back home because we have an early morning tomorrow.
Sure.
Because we will be going to a city down south a little bit, just to make use of our DR pass.
Yeah. It's going to be a fun day. It's going to be a historical day.
Yes, which means a lot. Yeah. So yeah, but we'll take you guys along, but for now, let's head on home, and hopefully we try out that takoyaki. Yeah.
Let's go.
All right. Thank you, Kiyomizu-dera, for this beautiful experience.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful evening.
Yes.
Next on
Today's
WeWanderlustCo.
travel day, we're gonna be traveling over to Hiroshima. First time visiting there.